What is up, everybody? It is 11:38 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday, July the 8th. I didn't have a video yesterday. I didn't do well. I missed the drop. I didn't feel good. I woke up feeling like shit. I'm going to throw about 10 excuses here. My nose was burning. My eyeballs felt like somebody had dropped sawdust and salt and also sand in my eye sockets while I was sleeping overnight. This is very uncomfortable. Had some sinus problems in the front and the back of my head. Had a slight headache. My back was hurting. My feet didn't feel right. The seat was uncomfortable. My software wasn't, there's something off on that. I don't know. I got about 10 more excuses. You want to hear them or you want me to just get into it, okay? So it's a day with Krusty Trades. We didn't have a great day. We lost a little money yesterday. We didn't lose a lot. We were down a decent amount. Missed that drop. We just didn't feel good. We were going to take the day off. We didn't. We should have. We would have came out ahead anyways, but we didn't do it. We got to fight through it, even if we feel like complete shit. Had too many things going on, too many chat rooms, listening to audio feeds, you name it. I don't know what the hell was going on yesterday. I couldn't read the flow very well. Gosh, let's go ahead and look at the order flow as well. See if it brings up yesterday's flow, and it should. So what are we going to do? We're going to look at the market. We're going to look at some order flow. That's it. Okay, we had an option here on the left. We don't give a shit about it right now. We're not doing the option overview. Now I'm going to go ahead and tell you, if you're listening and watching these videos, what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to bring some order flow out. I'm not taking all these. Some of these I am, some of them I post, some of them I'll take and I won't post. Some of them I post and I'll take and I won't say that I'm in it. I mean, it's just no way to tell because some of this stuff moves really fast. But what I'm doing is I'm trying to bring out some order flow that looks good, that I've been studying and things, and I need you to tell me if you like the trade when you get in and when you get out so I can manage it. I might be in different things. I might even miss that. I may not take it. I need, if you're watching right here at Krusty Trades, this is what I'm doing. I'm trying to share information. I'm trying to be out there in the front line scoping this order flow for you. I'm trying to cut through all the bullshit, and I'm trying to get contracts under $1 so you can get quite a few of them for cheap and still get moves. You're going to see what I'm talking about here in just a few moments. You're going to be like, holy shit. Holy shit. Okay? Under $1. I don't give a shit about $2 and $3 and $5. I don't give a shit about some guy buying, $1 million worth of $20 contracts. I don't care. This is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm doing. This is what I'm using, and it works extremely well. You got a different strategy. That's fine. Help you make more money by helping me get in and some out of these trades, and I'll let you know when I'm in and out. I'm not the best at the entries, the exits. I just try to capture some. Sometimes I hold too long. Sometimes I hold too little. And you just never know. I'm just trying to provide some good information for free. But in return, you need to share some information and data and let me know what you're in, what you're doing. Send me a direct message. Send me an email. I mean, we'll have a Discord. Do you want to be in my Discord? We'll have a Discord. I'm in a bunch of different stuff right now, and some of it I use, some of it I don't. You want to be in the Discord? I'll put a Discord link. You don't have to be. It doesn't matter if you're in some other chat rooms, you're in this, you're at home, you're whatever. Have your access in this. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to start doing an audio version of this as well. This weekend, we're going to open up and start doing an audio version of this. We're going to stream live. We're going to do dual streams. Everything's going to have an audio version. So there you go. You can listen as a podcast. You can point out some shit on your charts. You can listen and see what some kind of order flow is coming in. I mean, you just never know what's going to happen here at Krusty Trades. We're always trying to improve. We're trying to do better. We don't always succeed. Sometimes we have rough weeks. Next year, I'm taking off the 4th of July, 2 days, the 2 days prior to the 4th of July. So it'll be the Thursday and Friday from the 4th of July all the way to the Friday, the 4th of July week. So that entire section. Now, I may do a few trades here and there, and I'll let you know. Maybe I won't. I may do a few little ones. I may or may not. But otherwise, I'm taking that period off to relax, refresh. And I don't like the market during the 4th of July. I think it sucks. I think it's bullshit. I think it's an effing dog piece of shit. Designed to screw a lot of people out of money. You can make a lot of money, obviously. But if you have some, you're not feeling well, on top of that, you're tired, you haven't slept in a GD month or 6 weeks worth of shit, and you can't fall asleep. You fall asleep late, you wake up early, the market's already freaking open, you haven't slept all night. That's excuse number 10. Okay, so, I mean, this shit adds up. It's hard to be, you got to be a computer, you got to be an algorithm, you got to be facing this stuff, you got to be dealing with what life gave you. Without further ado, we're going to be looking at nvda. nvda yesterday had a push up that the futures were up as well, slightly. But what it did is it got support on that Thursday session, 418. Couldn't quite test it, so it came back up. Broke through 425. If you don't have these levels on your charts, get them on your gosh dang charts. Get them on your charts, man! Okay, these are the levels. Where you got them, these are the green lines. We got 416.40, 418. We've got 425. We have got what? We have got 428.76. We got a few up here, 432, 32.50, 33, 34. Right now, focus on 432. It came up and could not break through that. These levels I penciled in. These are off all-time highs. Came back in. I was here, got short, didn't stay in. The son of a gun flushed out to 425. Not a huge flush, but it was at 422, 432. Had you had the 432 50s, the 430s, the 425s, maybe, you made some money. And what it did is just flush back in and got support right here at 425. And if you can see, nothing crazy that came back in and tested that area from earlier in the day. Your session open on this piece of shit. Maybe I'm not seeing something. Oh, there it is. So it's overlaying this. So your opening 15-minute high and low is 421.75. The top was 425, and it came up, broke through it. That was your long signal, but it came back and tested that area. And then choose your 432.15. That's, well, 432. Got resistance, came back in and tested the opening range high 15-minute. Came back in and shot straight down through that. You also see a few other areas where it tried to gather support. Couldn't break back through here. That's what you had on nvda. Let's go ahead and look at Tesla. Let's look at Apple. Let's look at Meta. Let's look at Microsoft. Let's do a few of these damn stocks here. All right, here we go. Without further ado, we are into Tesla. Tesla now just pushed up in that session. What happened to the previous session? It came up 15-minute high, 15-minute low. Came down and flushed towards the bottom of that previous session. But ended up managing to open here at 278.41. Pushed through your resistance now, 280. 280 is very important on Tesla. Came back down to test 274. See, these have been on my chart for a little while here, a few weeks, a month, I don't know, whenever. But it's been on it for a little while. 274 to 280. Came back up, got resistance at that 280 level. Dropped back down to 274. Came back up to 280 and flushed back to 274. Any questions on that? That was your opening range high, opening range low. Broke through it, got support. Broke through here, never could regain that 15-minute high. got resistance at 280 as you saw once, as you saw twice, support once, support twice. Right now, still in that area on Tesla. Let's go ahead and look at Meta. Let's take a look at ES futures here in a minute. We're going to get this gosh dang party started. All right, so we had the 15-minute opening range on Meta. That was at 293.91, your lower area of 290. Came through, broke down to the 288.62. Regained structure here, and then shot back up through and hit this special gray line and actually made a brief attempt at 296. Got a quick smack back down. Meta's a piece of shit. It's a dog shit. Nobody likes Facebook. It's a piece of gosh darn shit. Your resistance is at 300. Couldn't regain it. So back off. Once, twice, 3 times. I see lower. I'm still looking for what? 259 on Meta. Get some puts if you like, if the market doesn't show any kind of rebalance. Meta's just a piece of dog shit. Everybody knows it. All these stocks are dog shit. nvda's dog shit. Tesla's dog shit. I mean, it's all fake money. It's all fake moves. There's no value in any of this bullshit. Prove me wrong. Apple. Apple's been trying to get some resistance at 196. Can't quite hit it. Finally had that high the other day. It was on Monday. 195.29. Came back down. Broke slightly through the 190 area before regaining some structure into the Friday session. Friday session had a bit of a bounce. Get rid of these stupid freaking lines here. If you see them on your damn charts, get rid of them. Came back down, tested this area 190, very close. Shot back up, opening minutes high was 190.150, low 190.70. Came back up, got slight support, dipped below, and shot back up here to 192.68 before settling back into the 15-minute opening range low. That god darn simple, son. Okay, let's go ahead and get out of Apple. Let's go ahead and take a look at ES futures. And we're almost going to be done. ES futures, what happened? It came down here, tested the 44.35. Get this in your gosh damn brain. Gosh damn brain. Okay, you ready? 44.35. Almost every time it goes to 44.35, either that session or within 1 to 2 sessions, it goes to 44.80. Let's go ahead and take a look here. 44.80 just a session or so ago, broke through 44.20, came back up 44.35. Got support at 44.35. They ran it back up. Now we're getting a few oddball levels here at 44.70 and 76. Close enough to 44.80 to prove my theory. Had a 44.80 to 44.35. Then it came back 44.35, close to 44.80, and then dropped back down. Your 35 is very important. You had some chop sessions at a 35 level there a month or so ago. 35, 35, 30, freaking 5 to 80. 35 to 80. 35 to 80. You hit 35, you're going to hit 80 on the top side. You hit 80 on the top side, you hit 35. Within that session, within a couple sessions, it's that damn simple. It repeats all the effing time. Now your levels again, 44. Right now we're at 4,400, 44.10, 20, 27, 31, 70. These are the few oddball ones they put in, 44.35, 44.50. I'm going to say these damn things with me, 44.71, 76.80. You got to be on 80. We're back to 44.94, 4,500. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oddball lanes they put in here this last week. They don't always put these in. We got QQQ. No, we're looking at NASDAQ futures. Got to get better at this piece of monkey ass horse shit. NASDAQ only had 2 lines drawn, and they were important. 1538.51, 1517.851. Came back, got support down, got resistance above, pushed into the previous session area. That was a previous session high. See that? Previous session high, previous session low. Stayed midway between, got on this support, close to previous session high, jumped back down, made a double bottom now off of 15.17828. That's all I've got right now. I wanted to cover a few things, see what happened on the market, cover a few important stocks. Some people like this monkey-ass piece of shit. Do you like this monkey-ass piece of shit, Microsoft? I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. We like it when it goes up. We like it when it goes down. We prefer it when it goes down because there's not as much horse shit. Okay, so Microsoft came down here and hit support at 337. Let's go ahead and take a look. It's been playing slightly above that area. The area I can't take out is 350. It's got support here at these two double bands, 335.52, 337. You can see it playing around there, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. If we get down far enough, where are we going to go to? We're looking for 310 on Microsoft at the market traders. Still can't take out the 360, 50 level. I hate all these stocks. I think they're all bullshit. I think they all should short down into zero. They're not worth a damn thing to me. They're worthless penny stock bullshit. But you gotta trade what you're dealt. And if you get your ass handed to you sometimes, you get your ass handed to you sometimes. Anyways, get your energy back. Think about what you can do to be better. Think of what you can do to reflect on your week, what's coming up. What can you do that's different? We'll take a look at order flow separately later. This is just a primer, a look at what happened on Friday. We'll do another video later in the weekend, what's going on for next week. When the future's open, we'll look at that again as well Sunday night. We're going to be scanning for some swing plays that we may have missed the last few days. See what happens on those. We're going to cover the order flow on Friday. And then finally, we've got part 3 of Thinkorswim user guide, basically, on its user guide, overview of some of the functions. And maybe we'll get this part 4. Possibly we'll start on another platform. But it's all I've got right now. Enjoy your weekend. Don't do anything stupid. Whether you won, whether you lost, get your head out of your ass. Gonna have a little lead out here and enjoy your afternoon, evening. Don't do anything stupid, and if you did do something stupid, don't do it again, by God. Alright, for more information, we're gonna have this website coming up very soon. It's gonna be krustytrades.com. We're going to try and get that up and running this weekend. We've got just a fillers page there. We're going to have a Discord. Right now, we're not charging anything. Maybe we will. Maybe we'll have a donation or a feature where you can contribute some of your profits to the work that we put in, the time and the hours that we spend into this to cover expenses, to cover the bills, to put footing under. I can see that. I'm very hyper when I get the energy, and I've got some energy back today. I still didn't sleep worth a shit last night. So, anyways, look for us on a Discord. We'll have that Discord link for you. We'll put it in future videos. If you want to join, jump in. Let's start sharing some information. It's all about unusual option flow is what I'm looking at. We can cover some day scalps and things. We're looking for unusual option order flow. And we need to get you signed up on Wellstream so you can help me, help you, help me, help everybody. And, peace be with you. But if you're taking any information away from this, give information back. This is a collective. We take something, we give back. We give back more than we take. I give more than I take. Always give more than you take, but you've got to give back. You've got to give back. Okay? This is a collective. Enjoy your weekend. Here's a short lead out.